This is a logistics and transportation website. So this particular website was designed and created with WordPress without writing any single line of code. So let me refresh the website because this is the website we are going to work on in this video. So this is the sample website of transportation and the logistic website that was created without writing any single line of code using WordPress. So you can see this. I'm just showing you the preview of the website. So if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video so that other people will learn. And if you encounter any difficulty or have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll answer to every question and comments. So without wasting time, let me show you how you can be able to recreate this particular website using WordPress. And I'm going to show you how you can do that and change any of these images and rebrand this particular website to your brand color, brand typography, brand logo, and other images. So let's proceed and get started. So this is a WordPress dashboard. And if you are new to WordPress, I made a video on how you can buy your domain and hosting and then install WordPress. So I'll put the link to that video in this video description so you can go ahead and watch it before coming back to this video. But if you already installed your WordPress and you are in this particular dashboard, then congratulations, you can proceed with me in this video. So in this video, I'm using a sample website. You can see this is a sample website for my hosting platform. So but in that video, I made a video and I purchased a live domain and hosting. So once you are in this particular dashboard, then let me show you the preview of our website currently. So this is the preview of our website. So let me refresh it. So it is the preview of our website. You can check the URL here, so you can see it, same thing. So now the first thing you need to do once you arrive in WordPress is for you to install theme. So the theme that will be compatible with our design. So let's head straight to appearance and click on themes. So once we click on themes, and these are the default theme, so you can delete it. Take for instance, if I want to delete this one, you just click on it, see delete here, you can delete it. But I'm not going to delete it because this is just my sample site. So in your own case, you have to delete everything and leave only the theme you are using. So once you are here, you click on add theme. So you click on add theme, then the theme we are going to use will pop up here. This is the theme we are going to use, and that theme is Hello Elementor. So you can see it. If you didn't find it, just search for it here. You search for it here, Hello Elementor. Then you click on install. Click on install. Then once you are done installing, you click on activate immediately. So now let's go back to the sample site and see refresh our website. So you can see that we have a lot of changes currently. So you refresh the website. So now after that, then the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to install plugins. So we are going to install plugins. So then you have to hover over this plugin. You can click on install plugins. Then from there you can install new plugin. I'll show you that particular method, but this particular method we are going to use is just to click on add plugin. So once you click on add plugin, then we are going to search for two plugins that we will install. After installing these two plugins, it will help us install other plugins needed for this particular project. So the first plugin is Elementor. So this is the first plugin, Elementor. So it's the page builder that will help us create a design without writing a single line of code, just to drag and drop. So Elementor is the first thing. So don't activate, just install it. Second one is a template kit import. Templates kit import. So template kit import. This is the second plugin we are going to use in this particular video. So you can see it here, over 400,000 installations. So install it. So once you are done, then it is time for us to follow the other method I wanted to show you. You click on install plugin. So you go back to plugins. So here now you can add new plugins from this particular section. So I'm going to close this. So you can click here to add a new plugin from this section. So in our own case, we use this particular place, but you can use this particular place also. So let's activate this particular plugin by marking all of them. Click on bulk action, click on activate, click on apply, and boom, all the plugins have been activated. So once you see that all the plugin has been activated, the next thing we are going to do is to go and create our pages. So let's click on pages. You can click on here to add new page, but let's check the pages we have by clicking on all pages. So we have only one page here, privacy policy. In your own case, you might have sample page. I've deleted my sample page, so this is privacy policy and it is in draft. It's not yet published. So we don't have any active published page. So let's click on add page. You can also click here to add page. So let's create our home page. Once we click on add page, then the page will be loading. So then we're going to create our home page, write it home. This is our home page. So once you are done writing this, you go to this particular section. So you find the default template and you click on it and click on Elementor full width. Make sure Elementor full width or Elementor canvas is selected, but my preferred choice is full width. Then you click on publish, then click on publish. So our home page has been published, but guess what? This is not yet our home page. You know why I say that? Let's go to our website and refresh, and you find out that it is not yet our home page, but the design changed. Do you know why the design changed? Because we changed our theme, and we have added some plugins which have actually affected this particular website design. So now let me go back and let's go and make this particular home page our home page. And how can we do that? So for us to do that, you just come over here and hover over this particular settings and click on reading. So if you click on reading, by default your latest post is what your home page. See, so this is a post. Hello world, this is a post. If I go to my blog post, you can see it that it is a blog post. So you come over here, then you choose a static page to be the home page. You select the home page that we just created. We save changes and we come back to the page and we refresh. The post is gone. The post is gone. So let me go and show you that post. Come to all posts. You can see the post here, hello world. So that was the blog post. Once we are done, then I will show you how you can create your menu, because I want us to just, once we head over to the design, then we can proceed with design, because there is a time we are going to need menu and I don't want to forget that I didn't show you how to create your menu. So you come over to appearance, you click on menus. So if you come here, I already have two menus, so but I'm going to delete this particular menu. So I'll delete this menu. Let me create a fresh menu. So the only menu I have right now is this particular one that I wrote menu. So for you to create menu, if you already have menu in that particular website we are working on, just click on create menu. But if you don't have any menu, this is the particular dashboard that you are going to be presented with once you land on the menu section. So here now you can give this particular menu a name. Let's say test menu. So now once we are done, you click where you want the menu to appear. This one is helpful if you are using default WordPress theme. So if you're using default WordPress theme and you select header, this particular menu will automatically go and appear in your header. If you select footer, it will automatically go. But if you are not using default, maybe you are using Elementor, because this Elementor, we are going to create header by ourselves. So that, but you can also tick it. It's not a bad thing. So you can see here now, you can see that the menu here now is test menu. For you to add content to the menu, you come over to the content. But if you have posts, blog posts, other pages, you're going to see it over here. So once you select all of them, you click on add to menu, and you can see it appeared here. If you have more than one, all of them will appear here. And click on save menu, then your menu has been created. So let me click on it again. So it has been saved. Now since we are done, then it's time for us to proceed to creating this particular website. So you hover over this tools, you can see template kit, click on it. Then it's time for us to import that particular template. So I'll put a link in the video description where you can get that particular template. So check this video description for you to download this particular template and upload it. So if you are done downloading it, this is how you can upload it. You can click here. It's not free, so if you are watching this video, just know that the template is not free, but it's worth it. So go and download it. The link is in this video description. So now if you, once you are done downloading it, you click over here to upload it here, or you click over here. So I will pause this video and upload it because I don't want you to see my gallery. Once I'm done, you will see the result. So once you upload it, you can see it is processing over here. So it won't take time depending on the strength of your network, and it will be done. You can see it. So now we are done. So now you can see here now, like I told you, once we install this template, it is going to prompt us to install the REST plugin that we need for this particular project. And here we go. You can see where it gave us attention. There are 5 requirements that need installing for this particular template kit to work. So you go ahead and install requirement, and then click on install above requirement. So this is what you need for this particular template to work very perfectly. So you install it. So once you are done, click on close, and you find out that the warning has disappeared. So then once you are done with this particular warning sign, installing the necessary plugin, there is another thing you are going to do. That thing is you must import the global kit style. So you click on import. Make sure you import. This should be the first thing you are going to do. If you didn't import it, you're not going to see all this typography and other designs. Once you import it, it will come with your design. So once you start designing, everything will look like the original design. Now there's another thing I want to notify you about, and that is we are going to work on only this home page in this video, because if I decide to work on all these pages, this video is going to be too long, and I don't want this video to be too long. So the same procedure that I followed in creating this home page and designing this home page, follow it to create other pages for your website, because for your business, because your business is going to have about us page. So you can see about us page. So you create a page and you name it about us. You create a page, name it services. Create a page, name it testimonial. Create a page, name it team, and so on and so forth. So you can create pages and then name it different name just for your business. Because some people like one page website. So if you are one of those people that wants one page website, you can go with only the home page and redesign it. So without wasting time, let's head over to pages, all pages. So all pages, then we click on edit home page. So we click on edit. So this time around we are going to design the home page. So once you click on edit, then you click on edit with Elementor, then automatically the home page will start loading Elementor page builder, because Elementor page builder is what we are going to use to achieve our goal. So you can see it. So it is still loading. Depending on the strength of your network, that will determine how fast this particular page builder will load or how slow it will load. If you have a strong network, it loads instantly, but you can see my own network is dulling, so I might pause this video and wait for it to finish loading, then I will play it. So we'll continue.